Hi, this is Richard Chamberlain, and welcome back to the Protecting Your Family's Future podcast. This is episode number 94. Today, we've got a special guest with us today. My law partner, Tim Alley, is joining us, and he's going to be talking to us about elder law. We're starting a series on elder law issues, elder law planning, and what that's all about. And Tim's going to talk to us about that. So, Tim, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you, Richard. It's a pleasure to be here.
Excellent. So I said we're going to be talking about elder law. What do you do? What practice areas do you focus on?
So I do practice in estate planning, and which includes the traditional wills and trusts, but it also includes focusing on elder law planning.
Okay, and so what is elder law planning then?
It's mostly helping those that are older and their specific needs, but that also includes long-term care planning, avoiding guardianships, and helping people to age in place.
Okay, so when you're working with clients in elder law issues, what kind of issues come up on a regular basis?
A lot of times it's avoiding guardianships for individuals and helping to protect assets through the long-term care planning process. Many times this involves making sure powers of attorney are in place and up to date.
Okay, all right. So you mentioned long-term care planning. What is that? Can you explain what long-term care planning is?
Well, long-term care planning is mostly about dealing with the costs of long-term care. Uh, However, it also is about making sure that a person who needs care can get the quality care and the quality of life that they need and want. It's also about protecting assets for an at-home spouse or for future generations as the individual desires.
Okay. So, who are your clients when you're working on these long-term care issues? Who are you generally dealing with?
The group of people that I usually deal with is pretty broad. It can be married couples, it can be single individuals, it can also be children of parents who need care. Many times it's those in their 70s or 80s. That's a pretty typical age range because they're usually dealing with current needs. Sometimes it's also younger individuals who are looking to plan for potential needs in the future. But and more, I'm seeing a lot of concerns about memory issues and cognitive decline amongst individuals who come see me.
Okay. So would it be fair to say that the people that you're serving in this area are people who are either concerned about the possibility of needing long-term care, or someone in their family is already experiencing that or is about to?
Yes, and a lot of those individuals are individuals who have family, whether it's a spouse or a parent who is currently needing care. And so they're concerned about how to pay for it, how to preserve assets, those types of things.
Okay, great. Well, thanks, Tim. I appreciate the information on what elder law is. Tim's going to be joining us over the next 5 or 6 weeks, and we're going to be going deeper into this elder law, long-term care planning. We're going to be talking about Medicaid and long-term care costs, how to calculate eligibility for Medicaid, and different planning techniques and tools that are available in this area. So I hope you'll join us for those. I hope this has been helpful for you today, and we'll see you again next week. Thanks.